this was an email that Mr. Alexander wrote to Mr. Hughes. You familiar with Chris Hughes?
Yes.
And who was he to Travis?
A friend.
Okay. Would you do me the favor and read, there is a highlighted, and just to yourself, please, not out loud, beginning here with to the end of the page.
Okay.
Ms. Reid, have you read this email prior to today?
No, I have not.
Okay. There is comment from Mr. Alexander that he did something unpardonable to you. Do you know what he's referring to?
Just that we were together for so long and that he did not marry me.
Okay. And that's unpardonable?
He says in there that that he was, sorry, I just forgot, I lost my train of thought. But he says that he just felt bad for dating me for so long, and that this was a time in my life when I should be getting married, and that he thought that now I was beyond that point of getting married. And so that's what he felt bad for.
Okay. Did he ever have you write letters to male friends of yours telling them that you couldn't be friends anymore?
No.
You never did that? Did he ever ask you to wear an outfit like that?
No.
Did he ever use phrases with you that you're the ultimate slut in bed?
No.
And did he talk to you about blowing enormous loads every time?
No.
Did he ever ejaculate on your face?
No.
Did he ever call you a whore?
No.
A slut?
No.
A three-hole wonder?
No.
Did he ever tell you how he wanted to tie you to a tree and, quote, put it in your ass?
No.
Must have had a different relationship that he did with Miss Arias, correct?
Objection, lack of foundation.
Did he ever tell you that the way you moan, it's like a 12-year-old girl having her first orgasm?
No.
Did he ever tell you about wanting to cork the pot of a little girl?
No.
He was supportive of you being a teacher, right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you familiar with Lisa Andrews?
Yes, I know her.
Okay. Are you familiar with the fact that he dated her?
Yes.
And are you familiar with the fact that it was real serious?
Yes.
Are you familiar with the fact that it was as serious as maybe it might go to marriage?
Yes.
Okay. Are you aware of the fact that he told her how stupid it would be for her to be a teacher?
No.
Different relationship, I guess. Thank you.
With regard to this picture that you were shown of a woman in some sort of skimpy outfit, do you remember being shown that?
Yes.
Do you know what the circumstances were of that?
I don't know.
Do you have any possible way of knowing the circumstances about that?
I don't.
How about what the relationship was, whether or not somebody likes to ejaculate on somebody's face? Do you know anything about that?
I don't know.
Do you know whether or not the defendant liked that?
I don't know.
Do you know whether or not she sent him text messages asking him to do that? Do you know any of that?
I don't.
So, do you know anything about their sex life?
I don't know anything about their sex life.
You do know about Mr. Alexander, don't you?
I do.
And at any time throughout this relationship, did he ever become verbally abusive to you?
No.
At any time, did he ever become physically abusive?
No.
At any time, when you didn't want to do something, Did he start trying to push you in the direction that you didn't want to,
No.
you didn't want to go?
He did not.
At all times, was he respectful to you?
He was.
I don't have any other questions.